The list of candidates included.
PTI.
Yes,
PTI.
yes.
And at some point in time, then PTI lost its election symbol.
On 22nd.
22nd
of December 2023. That is the original order of the Election Commission.
Not the original, the final order.
The final order. That's the final order of the election. Then it was this was challenged before the Peshawar High Court, which set aside the order. And then on 13 January 2020.
Ultimately, the order is of the Supreme Court.
Yes.
What date is that order?
13 January 2024.
ये dates पहले go step by step. ये 22nd को क्या था? What happened? Election
22nd December 2024. Is 2023, I'm sorry.
This is when the Election Commission passed an order.
Yes, my lord.
That was the last date for filing nomination.
Yes, but we had filed our list for reserve seats. On instructions, I say that. Then, my lord, that was challenged before the Peshawar High Court, and the Peshawar High Court, through a short order dated 10 January 2024, set aside the order of the Election Commission. And then an appeal was filed by the Election Commissions, and your lordships were pleased to set aside that order. 13th January 2024.
ये सवाल आप नोट कर लें, अभी जवाब देना चाहिए या बाद में देना चाहिए? क्या ये सिंबल लेने के बाद एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी जो कि आइन के आर्टिकल 17 के तहत और इलेक्शन एक्ट के तहत बनी थी, उसका वजूद बरकरार था या खत्म हुआ?
इसमें एक जो प्रिसाइज क्वेश्चन, और
दूसरा क्वेश्चन ये कि क्या सिंबल लेने के बाद उसके जो बकाया हकूक इलेक्शन लॉज में दिए गए थे, क्या वो हकूक भी सल्ब हुए, या वो इलेक्शन कॉन्टेस्ट कर सकती थी, वो सर्टिफिकेट कैंडिडेट को जारी कर सकती थी, वो कैंडिडेट को मुकर्रर कर सकती थी? क्या उस ऑर्डर के तहत किसी कैंडिडेट पे पाबंदी थी कि आप फलां पार्टी से इलेक्शन नहीं लड़ सकते? ये सारी बातें, क्या उसका इम्पैक्ट सिर्फ ये था कि सिंबल जो कि एक पार्टी को सहूलत के लिए दी जाती है कि आप कैंपेन चला सकते हैं, इसके अलावा उसके क्या रिपरकशन, जिसको पेश ऐसा किया गया कि पार्टी खत्म हो गई और जमहूरियत का जनाजा निकाल दिया? क्या ये सारी बातें हैं?
ये बताइए,
निकला, किसी ने पढ़ा उसका?
इज पाकिस्तान तहरीक इंसाफ टुडे एन इनलिस्टेड पार्टी ऑफ Election Commission ki?
Yes.
So that answers the question.
Yes. And I think all your lordships, sir.
Coming off from what my learned colleagues are saying, I think we have, speaking for myself, we have to keep always in mind that we are looking at the question before us in a very specific and limited context, which is allocation of reserved seats.
Yes.
And nothing beyond that. And that para D of clause 6 speaks of a political party. So for me, the question is, what, for purposes of that clause, is a political party?
Yes.
For purposes of distribution of the reserved seats, maintaining proportionality, because seems to me that if you look at the constitutional understanding of a political party, then you are in a position where the basic rule is proportionality. That's it.
Yes.
That balance can never be tipped.
Yes.
The only legally, constitutionally permissible manner to do that is by way of the proviso. That's all.
Yes.
So the question then becomes, in the very, very peculiar facts and circumstances that are before us, namely a national political party admittedly registered with the Election Commission, for whatever reason, I don't go into that, fought the general election without a common election symbol.
Yes.
Is that still for purposes of the allocation a political party within the meaning of clause D, in order to ensure that this balance that is commanded by this is not tipped?
Yes.
This has a negative aspect, and so far we have been looking at the negative aspect, that no political party can get seats more than proportionately
Yes.
more than what it won, subject, as I say, to the constitutionally permissible exception of the proviso.
Yes.
But it seems to me that this clause, or this paragraph D, has not just a negative aspect, but also a positive aspect. And the command of the Constitution is, negatively, do not give them anything more.
Yes.
But positively, the one who is entitled to that, you must give him the
Yes.
party the reserved seats. So the question then is, for purposes of clause D, keep saying clause, para D, what is a political party? In the broader context, what it means is a different thing. But the balance cannot be tipped.
Yes.
That is
Yes.
the heart, that it seems to me. The
Your
question that
lordship
lies
is
at the heart of the matter.
yes, your lordship is absolutely right. The reason
Keep
I
in mind
think
that negative aspect and positive aspect.
yes,
So keeping
Not
with
just
this,
one command, the Constitution has given two distinct commands here. Do not give anything more, but do not deprive the other.
yes.